Yeah,
Okay.
1 after 10 is okay.
Okay. Okay, so first try this one. Simplify 5p to the 7th over 25p to the 4th. And I'll give you guys like 1 minute. Okay, you guys are doing very well. Who wants to explain this one? Okay, I can go over it in 1 second. Okay, so when you see this, first thing you want to do, or what I like to do, is separate the variables and the numbers. So basically just rewrite it like this, because you know that this is equivalent. And then you can simplify each like set of parentheses separately. So 5 over 25 is 1 over 5. And then p to the 7th over p to the 4. Remember our exponent subtracting. When you're dividing exponents with the same base, remember it has to have the same base, you can subtract your exponents. So p to the 7th over p to the 4 would be, yes, p to the 3. I think that's what you said. And then you can leave it like that, or you can just write it like p to the 3rd over 5. They're the same thing. So that's the first one. Any questions? Okay, here's the second one. You're going to do some distributive property. So go ahead. Okay. We're gonna have Vedant explain this one because I know he got the answer correctly. So go ahead. Yes. So he's typing it in the chat for everybody that's confused. So he said 8 times 3 is 24, and x times x is x squared. So 24x squared. Yeah, so you're going to multiply this one by this one, and then you're going to get 8 times 3, x times x, which is 24x squared. Yep, and then the plus sign from right here, plus sign right here. And then you have 8x times 7. So you're going to do 8 times 7, and then you have your x. which is 56x. So your final answer is 24x squared plus 56x. Any questions?
Nope.
Oh, I can hear you now. Okay. Awesome. So next one, you're gonna factor this. So we did this last week. So find your two parentheses. Make sure I'll give you guys a quick hint. Find numbers that add to -10 and multiply to 24. Okay? I'll give you guys a couple minutes. Okay, like 30 more seconds. This one's a bit tougher.
Have you write it again?
I can't hear what you're saying. I'm sorry.
Hello?
Oh, what? Yeah, I can hear everybody else except Athena. Okay, who wants to go over this one?
Me,
Who was that?
Yo-Yo.
Go ahead.
Okay. So 24 could be 6 and 4. 6 and 4 add up to 10, but we want negative, so it's -6 and 4. And then you just write it as x minus 6 times x minus 4.
Exactly. And so I'm just going to do a little bit of clarification. The reason that we can just change our +6 and +4 to -6 and -4 is because since they're both negative, they both multiply out to a positive number, right? So that's why it was easy to change it from 6 and 4 to -6 and -4, because we needed to fulfill the requirement of adding up to -10, not adding up to +10. Okay, awesome. Any questions on that one? Okay, here's the next one. Some distributive property and some combining like terms / adding. So try this one. Also, this one has a bit of like harder math, so feel free to use a calculator. Okay, who wants to go over this one? Anyone?
I could again.
Yeah, go ahead.
So you just do the opposite of, you do the distributive property. So you have negative 5x plus 75 minus 3x. And then you combine negative 5x and negative 3x. So you have negative 8x minus 75.
Yes, perfect. Just one thing she said, negative 5 times 15 is positive 75. But make sure when you multiply, but she got the answer correctly. She just missaid it. Just to point it out, make sure that you, when you're multiplying a negative with a positive and you multiply them together, you get a negative number. Okay? Any questions? Okay, let's try this next one. Okay, this one also had some hard math, but who wants to go over it? Yeah, Viking, go ahead. Or do you have a question, or do you want to?
No. So I put the x on all the x on one side. So I put the 29 at the
left side, yeah.
Yeah, and the 32 at the right side.
Mm-hmm.
So
what did
then,
you? Yeah.
So 37 plus 29 equals 66, and 43x minus 32x equals 11x.
Mm-hmm.
So x equal like 6.
Yep. Did everyone understand how Viking got to that? Does anyone have any questions? Okay. Next one. This one's a bit longer and it is a bit more confusing, so make sure you read the question carefully. Yeah, go ahead.
What? I didn't understand the question. What does like terms mean?
So if you see like 2A's, like 4A plus 2A, you can combine the A's, right? If you
Oh, okay.
see like, okay, you understand?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, who wants to explain this one? Anyone?
I could.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, so like terms means that the variable is all the same. So like even if there's x squared, y squared, and there's another x cubed, y squared, you don't add them together because their variable is different. So right now, there's 15x cubed, y squared, and 3x cubed, y squared. So you add them together. 18x cubed, y squared, and then you add 8x squared and negative 4x squared, so you get positive 8x squared. So it's 4x squared, sorry. Plus 4x squared, and then you find there's a common x squared and a 2. So you factor it out. You have 2x squared times 9xy squared plus 2.
Yep. Awesome. So the factoring step that she did at the end was something that we talked about very briefly, factoring out like terms and constants. And it's a bit harder, but that is how you would do it. And that is correct. But it's okay if you had your answer in this first one. Okay. Any questions? Okay. We're gonna do a couple more. Okay, this one's a bit longer. Actually, I kind of want to skip this one. Okay, I want
Wait,
you guys,
is there a Kahoot today?
yeah, there is. Okay, I want you to combine these like terms. It's a bit easier than the last one, but there are more terms. So work on that one. Okay, does anybody want to explain this one? If you guys want, you can type it in the chat too. You don't have to unmute yourself. Okay, yeah, Vedant, go ahead. So the first thing he's doing is working on the q squared. So he's doing 2q squared minus 3q squared, which is negative q squared. He's saying the 4q stays the same because nothing else is just 1q. So he's right about that. So you just have 1q, and then which is right here. And then he's working on the constants, 7 and 5. 7 minus 5 is positive 2. So that is your answer. I'm sorry, this is. Okay. Any questions about that one?
Can we go to the Kahoot?
In a couple minutes. Any questions? Okay. We're gonna do this one. No, we're gonna do this one. Okay. I want you guys to remember what you learned about exponents when you're doing this problem. It should not take you very long, so yeah, you guys are doing great already. I'll give you like 30 more seconds just in case. Yeah, okay. You guys are doing very well on this. Okay, who would like to explain this one?
Can I?
Apollo, go ahead.
Okay, so since the variables both x, we can just like add the exponent together, so it'd be x to the power of 21.
Yep. Perfect. I noticed how he said that the base is the same in both of these, which is very important to remember when you're using this adding exponents little trick shortcut thing. Okay? Any questions on that one? Okay. And we're going to do this one. We're going to do some inequalities, and then we'll do the Kahoot. Okay, so there's probably just a couple more questions. Try this one.
When are we going to start?
If you know the answer, you should put it in the chat so I know you know it. And then we'll start in like 15 seconds.
Oh no, I forgot my answer.
Okay, who wants to explain this inequality problem?
Me.
Yeah, go ahead.
Okay. An inequality is solved just the same as a normal equation, just you have to be careful sometimes because if you're dividing or multiplying negative numbers on both sides, they could have switched the sign. So in this case, there's no negative numbers for now. We minus 3x and we add 8 on both sides. So we get 6x is less than 12. And we simplify, x is less than 2.
So I'm just writing it this way so that's easier to see. Sorry. But yeah, this can also be rewritten. You can either say 2 is greater than x or x is greater than 2. Generally, we tend to say x is greater than or x is less than something, which is why it's easier to say like that. But 2 is greater than x is also a correct answer. Okay, any questions on that one? Okay. This can be the last one. This is another inequality with some bigger numbers. So go ahead and try this one, and then we will play Kahoot. Okay, who wants to explain the last one? Nobody? Anybody? Come on, guys.
Do you mind if I do it again?
Okay, yeah, go ahead.
This is just sort of like the one before, and then
Oh, wait.
Sam.
Yeah, Sam, go ahead. I think Sam is trying to explain. Yeah, so subtract 2p on both sides. And then subtract 5 on both sides. Yes. And then when you do that, you get p is less than or equal to 7. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah. Okay, perfect. Good job. Thank you, Sam. Any questions on this one? Yes, we will play the Kahoot now. Okay, let me find it.
Wait, can we see the questions on our screens?
Which questions?
Like,
oh, yeah. Yeah, you'll be able to see the questions.
Okay, thanks.
I'll share my screen so that you guys can see it. Okay, share. Do you guys want the sound? Yes? Okay.
No.
The like song?
I mean, like for the beginning, but okay, sure, why not?
Okay. Okay. Okay, can everybody see it?
Can you put the game in the chat? Yes.
I'll give you guys like 2 minutes to get logged in. Yeah, it doesn't matter what you guys put your name as. Just make sure it's appropriate. Okay, we have a lot of LOLs. Okay, like 30 more seconds. Make sure you guys get in. Oh, wait. Okay. I'll give you 45 seconds.
There's like a ton of LOL stuff.
Yeah. You guys better know which one you are, because there's a lot of them.
Well, I'm Yo-Yo, so I'm not LOL.
Then that's easy for you to remember.
And I also have
the original person who made the LOL.
That is
Who was the original?
I keep on messing up on the typing.
Okay.
Who's Rapid Bear?
Another.
More LOLs.
Oh my goodness. Okay, we're starting. Is everybody in?
No.
Okay, come on. I want to make sure you have enough time.
We need one more person. Yeah. Wait. Oh. There's more?
Oh, there's more than people here.
I saw
Okay,
there
well,
was
then I'm
17. Wait, wait, did people join twice?
Yes, people definitely joined more than once.
Okay. I think it's probably all the people.
LOLs will be on the list.
Okay, guys, I'm cutting you off. We're starting.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
I guarantee you at least LOL will be on the leaderboard.
Really? No way. Yes, good job, guys. Hey, look, LOL's in first.
What?
Who would have thought?
Wait, what's the question? Is all the LOLs lagging it?
No, it says when you divide bases. Can you guys see the picture?
No, I can't see the questions either. It's just on the leaderboard.
Really?
So,
Okay, hold
red
on.
is add exponents, blue
Yeah.
is subtract exponents.
Red is add exponents, blue subtract exponents, orange is multiply, green is divide, and the question is, when you divide bases, what do you do?
Do it quickly. Yay!
Good job. That was so good, guys. Okay. Can you guys see the leaderboard right now? Like, did it change?
Great. Yo.
Yes? No?
No match for the LOLs.
Okay. Can you guys see the next question? Is it working?
I can't see it.
I can't see it either.
You can't see it? Okay, hold on.
Oh,
What do you mean by power to power?
Like, if you have 4 to the 2 to the 3.
What do you mean by power to power?
It's like if you have 4 to the 2 to the 3. Yeah, so you guys, if you have 4 to the 2 to the 3, what you can do is multiply your exponents together. So then it becomes 4 to the 6th. Okay? Do you guys remember doing that? Yes? Okay. Can you guys still see the questions?
No, all the LOLs lagging me.
Oh my goodness. Okay, when your exponent equals 0, what happens? Red, your answer is 1. Blue, your answer is 0. Orange, your exponent is 1. Or green, your exponent does not exist. Or your exponent does nothing, sorry.
Oh, I made a mistake. No.
Yeah, good job. We actually never talked about this. We only did a Kahoot about this, so it's very good, you guys. When you have anything to the power of 0, your answer.
We need to put the person in third place.
Okay.
Wait, everything's glitched again. I can't see the leaderboard.
Okay. Let me try to share it again. Okay, can you see it now?
Yes.
Okay. Well, guys, this question was not supposed to be in here, actually. Oh, you guys are really smart, actually. Okay. So when you have a negative exponent, we talked about this, but it was very short and it was pretty complicated. So yeah, when you have a negative number in the exponent, you just move the exponent to the bottom, and you basically
Time everyone join the LOL army.
find the reciprocal of the fraction. So you have 1 over whatever your base is to the positive exponent. Okay? Okay, whoever B is, you're winning right now.
And again.
Okay.
Wait, we need to kick B out. Let's go. Wait, I can't see anything.
Oh my. Okay, it says y equals mx plus b is a red is quadratic function, blue is exponential function, orange is linear function, and green is absolute value function.
No.
Why can't you guys see it? I think it's glitching because of all the LOLs. Yes, good job. It's a linear function. We talked about this when we learned about linear functions. Okay, can you guys see it?
I can only see the answer to the question right now. Now
What
I
do
can
you guys
see it.
see?
Split your screen.
I can see it now.
Okay. Guys, there's 18 questions in this. I don't know if we're gonna get through them all. We talked about this just last week, guys.
I forgot. I don't want to get short.
You forgot? Look back at your notes. Yeah, oh. Guys, it's a quadratic function. Quadratic function is
Let's go.
okay, if you guys
Is there anyone besides LOL on the leaderboard?
let's see. If you guys are you guys like on an iPad or something?
Yo-yo is on a leaderboard.
You guys don't have to have your Zoom open. You can just have this. You will still be able to hear it.
It's lagged. It's
Yeah,
lagged.
B is in second place.
It's lagged. I can't see the.
Okay.
Now I can.
Awesome. Yeah, M is the slope. Okay. Do you guys, this is gonna go over. Do you guys still want to finish it? Good job. Yeah, y-intercept. Okay, I honestly can't even tell who's who at this point, but
Wait, isn't it supposed to be y2 minus y1?
yeah, but formally it's y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. However, your points can be exchanged, and your second point can be called point 2, and your first point can be called point 1. So technically, both ways of writing it are correct. Okay? Do you guys want to keep going? Because it's 8 o'clock.
No, we're gonna keep on going till LOLs are on the leaderboard, then we stop.
Okay. You guys only have 8 questions to go, so
Can't see.
Me neither.
x equals 0 is the red x-intercept, blue origin, orange y-intercept, green slope.
Which one's y-intercept?
No.
Orange.
No.
Oranges. Yes, good job. Why is it broken? Can you guys see it now?
No.
Okay.
It's laggy.
The 11th question loading.
Okay. This is really laggy. Okay. Okay, good job.
Let's go.
Oh,
Yo-yo's gone. We just need to kick B out.
oh yeah, guys, we didn't actually talk about this, but we did graph.
And just tell us what's the answer. What's the answer quick?
I will not tell you the answer. We did graphing. We graphed linear equations, so you guys technically should know this. Yes, good job, guys.
Nice.
Oh, Yo-Yo's back, guys. Yo-Yo's back.
Uh-oh.
Okay. Talked about this on the second week when we learned about new
There
equations.
is no A.
Oh, no. Is it a slope-intercept form? Is it in standard form? Is it in point-slope form? Or is there no form?
But A isn't in.
Yeah, it's not asking about a variable. Oh my, guys, y equals mx plus b is slope-intercept form.
Woohoo!
We talked about this in the second week when we learned. Okay. Okay. 4 more.
I can't see it.
Oh my. Okay, y equals b to the x is red linear function, blue quadratic function, orange exponential function, or green absolute value function. B to the x. Yes, good job, guys. This is an exponential function. B to the x. To the x should be your key there.
I can't see the problem.
Oh my, I can't tell you this problem. That's
It'd be better if you didn't share your screen right now. Didn't take your
I'm
share.
sorry, but nobody can see it.
Here's the thing. In the beginning of the Kahoot, you can choose if players can see the problems on their screens.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I did not know that. I should have done that. Okay, yes,
I just
good job.
knew it recently.
I did not know that. That's pretty cool, actually. Okay.
Take down Yo-Yo.
Guys, if Yo-Yo wins, that's
I
gonna be really
can't
fun.
see the picture. I can't see. What's the picture?
It's like a... I can't tell
Just
you.
look at
That's
the screen. Go to Zoom.
yeah. Go on Zoom, because then you'll see my
I
screen.
can't see it. What is it? Is it an X or what?
What?
Is it an equal?
Just do it. Go
Oh yeah,
to
here I
Zoom.
can put it in the chat.
No.
It's
Obviously.
yes. Most of you guys got it. Is this, which is
Couldn't get it.
then or equal to?
I didn't see the. I couldn't see the picture.
Okay, last one.
He was not gonna win. At least an LOL will win.
Okay, it says when you divide by a negative, you blank the inequality. Red, you do nothing to it. Blue, you flip it. Orange, you underline it. Or green, you erase it. Yes, good job. You flip it. We also just talked about this. Awesome. Okay, guys, podium. Third place, Yo-Yo. Yay! Guys, you didn't kick Yo-Yo out. Okay, second place is B. Who's B?
Alright.
Okay, good job, Sam.